Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Wix Studio is an advanced web creation platform explicitly built for professionals like agencies, freelancers, and large studios. It offers a sophisticated environment that goes beyond the capabilities of the standard Wix editor, focusing heavily on responsive design, team collaboration, and a streamlined workflow for handling multiple client projects. The primary goal is to allow designers to build visually stunning, fully custom, and high-performing websites more efficiently. The most crucial concept for beginners in Wix Studio is responsive design, achieved through intelligent tools. Unlike older editors, where you might manually adjust every element for every screen size, Studio introduces features like responsive AI. This tool can analyze a section of your page and instantly apply a responsive structure, ensuring elements scale and rearrange correctly across desktop, tablet, and mobile views with a single click. Furthermore, you work with advanced layout tools like Stack for elements that should maintain a consistent vertical or horizontal order, and Grid for complex logged-in section layouts that inherently handle screen size changes. Navigation is intuitive yet powerful. The editor features a central canvas for visual design, a detailed layers panel to manage your site's structure, and the inspector panel on the right. This inspector is your control center, providing granular controls for every selected element, including sizing, positioning, and setting its responsive behavior, e.g., whether it should scale proportionally, stretch, or remain fixed. The breakpoints bar at the top lets you easily switch between devices views, that is either desktop, tablet, or mobile, to make device-specific design tweaks without affecting the main desktop design. For experienced designers, Wix Studio opens up a world of control. You have access to custom CSS directly within the editor to fine-tune styles and create bespoke design not possible with standard controls. Additionally, the platform allows for detailed interactions and animations, letting you design everything from subtle hover effects to complex scroll-triggered movements. Finally, site styles simplify global branding, allowing you to define all your color palettes and font themes once, then apply them instantly across the entire website for brand consistency. In short, Wix Studio provides the power of code with the convenience of a visual builder. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.